Hi everyone, this is Inam back with another exciting feature in PPC ad editor. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to generate ad previews directly from your website URL. With this new feature, you can create ad previews by simply entering your site link, saving you from manually entering every detail. So let's dive in and see how it works. Go to the ad types, and this feature is compatible with all the ad channels in PPC ad editor. But for this demo, we'll be focusing on the Google search ads. So just to how this tool works. So select Google as the ad channel and choose the responsive search ad format. Choose the data source as use website URL and click continue. So a model pop-up will show up. So now entering the website URL, I'm going with the PPC ad editor's site's URL. So once the site link is entered, and make sure it's valid. So then click generate preview, and from here, PPC ad editor will automatically pull relevant information from the provided website using web scraping. This helps you quickly build ad previews that are perfectly aligned with your website's content, saving you loads of time. And once the preview is generated, you can view your ad preview with a single click. You'll see how it seamlessly creates an ad based on the content from your website, giving you a complete ready-to-go preview in just a second. So as you can see here, it has filled all the headlines, descriptions, and using the web scraping. And once this preview is generated, you can make any further changes to the campaign ad groups as you like by editing the existing ones that fits your ad objectives. So that's all there is to this new suite the feature, which is going to help you save tons of time creating your campaigns. You won't have to fill in all the details manually. So once it's all ready, so you are good to go. And export your campaign and share it with your clients, and that's it. So that is all there is to it. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on the latest PPC ad editor features. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.